Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health at homes. As you already know, we are continuing the topic of osmoregulatory functions of kidney. In the previous video, we studied about the osmoregulation. Now we will continue that topic. First of all, the important short question on this page includes: when kidneys form dilute urine? The answer: when there is excess water in body fluids, kidneys form dilute hypotonic urine. What brings down the volume of body fluids to normal? Answer starts from here. When there is excess water in body fluids, kidneys form dilute hypotonic urine. For this purpose, kidneys filter more water from glomerular capillaries into Bowman's capsule. Similarly, less water is reabsorbed and abundant dilute urine is produced. It brings down the volume of body fluids to normal. The last question on this page include: when kidneys form concentrated or hypertonic urine? The answer starts from: when there is shortage of water in body fluids, kidneys filter less water from glomerular capillaries and the rate of reabsorption of water is increased. Less filtration and more reabsorption produce small amounts of concentrated hypertonic urine. It increases the volume of body fluids to normal. This whole process is under hormonal control. Well students, these were some of the short questions. And now we will discuss some of the important MCQs. When there is excess water in body fluids, kidneys form dilute urine or hypotonic urine. When there is shortage of water in body fluids, kidneys produce small amount of concentrated or hypertonic urine. The whole process of urine formation is under hormonal control. Kidney disorders. First of all, the topic is kidney stones, which is one of the kidney disorder. Define kidney stones. Starting from here. When urine becomes concentrated, crystals of many salts, for example calcium oxalate, calcium and ammonium phosphate, uric acid, etc. are formed in it. Such large crystals can't pass in urine and form hard deposits called kidney stones. Write major causes of kidney stones. Question number 2. Or major causes of kidney stones are age, diet, containing more green vegetables, salts, vitamin C and D, recurring urinary tract infections, less intake of water, and alcohol consumption. What are the basic symptoms of kidney stones? The symptoms of kidney stones include severe pain in kidney or in lower abdomen, vomiting, frequent urination, and foul smelling urine with blood and pus. What is the treatment for kidney stones? About 90% of all kidney stones can pass through the urinary system by drinking plenty of water. In surgical treatment, the affected area is opened and stones are removed. Lithotripsy is another method for the removal of kidney stones. Most important short question on the end of this page, that is, define lithotripsy or what is lithotripsy. Lithotripsy is another method for the removal of kidney stones. In this method, non-electrical shock waves from outside are bombarded on the stones in the urinary system. Waves hit the dense stones and break them. Stones become sand-like and are passed through urine. Alright, now we would discuss some of the MCQs. About 90% of all kidney stones can pass through the urinary system by drinking plenty of water. In lithotripsy, non-electrical shock waves from outside are bombarded on the stones in urinary system. So students, this is the important topic which we discussed today in this video. The important short questions and MCQs regarding board examination have been indicated in this video. We will discuss the next topic in next video. Okay, thank you students.